Burn the midnight oil. Burn the midnight oil means to work late into the night, usually to hit a deadline, finish a big project, or prepare for an exam. Let's look at some example sentences. With the final exam tomorrow morning, I plan to burn the midnight oil tonight so I can master all the formulas. She's been burning the midnight oil for months, trying to finish writing her first novel while keeping her day job. Let's do an exercise to better remember the idiom. For the given sentence, replace a word or words with the idiom so that the meaning of the sentence is not changed. You have 5 seconds. Pause the video if you need more time. They stayed awake until 3 a.m. to complete the project before the deadline. They burned the midnight oil to complete the project before the deadline. Now it's your turn. Write a practice sentence in the comments. If this video helped you, like, share, and subscribe for more idioms like this. Thanks for watching.